Welcome to my daily English learning.
Hey, how was your day?
It was pretty good, thanks. How about yours?
Not bad. I was busy at work, but managed to finish everything on time.
That's great. Any plans for the evening?
Not really. I was thinking of watching a movie. Do you have any recommendations?
Have you seen Inception?
Yeah, I love that movie. Any other suggestions?
How about La La Land? It's one of my favorites.
I haven't seen that one yet. I'll give it a try. What do you like about it?
The music, the story, and the way it's filmed. It's just beautiful.
Sounds interesting. I'll watch it. By the way, do you want to grab a coffee this weekend?
Sure, I'd love to. Saturday works for me. How about you?
Saturday sounds perfect. Let's meet at 3 p.m. at the new cafe downtown.
Great. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. See you then.
See you. Have a good day.
Hey, it's great to see you.
You too. This place looks amazing. Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time. I heard they have great coffee though.
Awesome. Let's grab a seat by the window.
Perfect. So, how's your weekend been so far?
Pretty relaxing. I caught up on some reading and did a little shopping. What about you?
I had a lazy morning, then went for a run. It's been nice and laid back.
That sounds nice. Oh, speaking of reading, what kind of books do you like?
I'm into science fiction and thrillers mostly. How about you?
I love historical fiction and fantasy. Have you read anything good lately?
I just finished The Martian by Andy Weir. It was amazing. Have you read it?
Yes, I did. I loved it. The way he survives on Mars is so captivating.
Totally. It was such a page-turner. So, what are you reading now?
I'm reading The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. It's beautifully written.
I've heard good things about that one. I'll have to add it to my list.
You definitely should. So, what kind of movies do you like?
I'm a big fan of action and sci-fi movies. What about you?
I love romantic comedy, but I'm also into fantasy and drama.
Nice. Have you watched any good movies recently?
I watched Pride and Prejudice again last night. It's one of my favorites.
Classic. I enjoyed Interstellar last weekend. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. It's such an emotional journey. The visuals are stunning.
I agree. The story pulls you in. By the way, have you traveled anywhere interesting lately?
I went to Italy last year. It was incredible. The food, the culture, everything.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Italy is on my travel bucket list. Any recommendations?
Visit Rome and Florence. The architecture and history are just breathtaking.
I'll keep that in mind. I traveled to Japan recently. It was such an eye-opening experience.
Japan is fascinating. What did you enjoy the most?
The mix of traditional and modern culture. Plus, the food was incredible.
I can imagine. Japanese cuisine is one of my favorites. Did you try sushi?
Yes, I did. It was so fresh and delicious. What's your favorite food?
I love Italian food, especially pasta, but I also enjoy trying new cuisines.
Italian food is fantastic. I could eat pizza and pasta every day.
Same here. So, do you like cooking?
I do. It's a great way to relax. How about you?
I enjoy cooking too. It's fun to experiment with new recipes.
Maybe we could cook together sometime?
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'd love to.
Great. So, are there any hobbies or interests that you're passionate about?
I love painting and hiking. Being in nature is so refreshing. What about you?
I enjoy playing the guitar and photography. Capturing moments is something I love.
That's awesome. I'd love to see some of your photos someday.
I'd be happy to share them with you. What do you like to paint?
Mostly landscapes and abstract art. It's a great way to express myself.
That sounds wonderful. I'd love to see your paintings too.
Maybe I can show you some next time we meet.
I'd like that. By the way, have you been to any good concerts recently?
I went to a Coldplay concert a few months ago. It was amazing.
Lucky you. I've always wanted to see them live. Their music is so uplifting.
Really so. The atmosphere at the concert was incredible.
I can imagine. The last concert I went to was by Imagine Dragons. It was electrifying.
They're fantastic live. Their energy is contagious.
Absolutely. So, do you have any upcoming travel plans?
I'm planning a trip to Spain next summer. I'm excited about it.
That sounds fantastic. Spain is beautiful. What do you plan to do there?
I'll visit Barcelona and Madrid, exploring the culture and trying local dishes.
You'll have an amazing time. The architecture in Barcelona is stunning.
I've heard so much about it. I can't wait to see it in person. Do you have any travel tips?
Immerse yourself in the local culture and try to learn a few basic phrases in Spanish. It goes a long way.
Great advice. I'll definitely do that. Have you been to Spain before?
Yes, a couple of years ago. It was one of my favorite trips. The people are so friendly.
That's good to hear. Any must-visit places?
Definitely check out Park Güell in Barcelona and the Royal Palace in Madrid.
I'll add those to my list. Thanks for the tips.
You're welcome. It's been great chatting with you.
Likewise. I had a wonderful time.
Me too. Looking forward to our next meetup.
Same here. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.